Select the pictures you want to export. Right click, export, export. Scroll down all the way and select Watermark. Then you go to Edit Watermarks, and here you could enter a text that you want to add as a watermark. Or you can also choose an image that you want to use as a watermark. So I select this one, and as you can see it is right there, and I can enlarge it or scale it down if I want to. I can also change the size here, or I can fit it to the whole image or fill the whole image with it, but I don't want that. So I go to proportional. Here I can set the offset from the sides of the image, which I set to 2. And here I can select the exact location of the watermark that I want. I usually like to place it in the top right corner, so I select this one. And here I could also rotate my watermark if I wanted to. But I just hit save. And then I can also set up a new preset with this exact watermark on this spot. So select your preset and hit export. So if I open the images, it looks like this. The watermark is on top right with the margins that I set up. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helped.